Area Cooling Solutions presents a series of videos on commissioning instructions for iCOOL CO2 units. This episode will present the maintenance of the unit. In this video, the commissioning instructions of iCOOL CO2 units are presented on a training or test stand that does not include some elements of a real installation. Real installation must be carried out in accordance with the applicable standards, regulations and guidelines contained in the operating manual. Unit maintenance consists of preventative measures aimed at ensuring optimal operating conditions of the unit and thus achieving uninterrupted and trouble-free operation. Before final commissioning, Area recommends securing all ball valves against unauthorized access by placing seals on the caps. There must be a blanking cap on each service and ball valve. All work on the installation and the unit must be carried out in such a way as to maximize the safety of users and third parties. Area Cooling Solutions, for its units, recommends regular servicing at 1-month intervals consisting of verification, cleanliness of the gas cooler, charging of the installation, operating parameters, superheating control on evaporators, pressures and temperatures, sight glass indications, the condition of the electrical connections, alarm control, general condition of the equipment. A convenient and safe form of control of the processes occurring in the installation is the observation of the unit by monitoring. By connecting the installation to the internet, we can take preventative action in advance to avoid breakdowns. With Area monitoring fully configured and running, you are able to monitor every parameter of the unit. The alarm system collects a history of errors and warnings that have been previously configured. Thank you for your attention. We encourage you to visit our website, areacooling.com, and contact our representatives.